What's going on, everybody? This is the Family21 back once again, and today I bring you a video of an Emerson Electric model 77646 AS oscillating table fan, which dates back to around 1949. This is a 3-speed fan. Pretty nice fan overall. It's got some paint loss on the blades, but otherwise it's in pretty good condition. Got this fan from an antique store down in Asheville, North Carolina. And actually got a pretty good deal, and I think I paid on it like 25 or 30 bucks for this fan, which is nice. And without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. We'll start it up here on low, and we'll engage the oscillation a little bit later. These 77 series oscillators are always known to be a very quiet running fan. With the wide overlapping blades, unlike the 79 series, which has a more skinnier blade. And there's medium. We'll take it up to high. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. And on Emerson fans, to engage the oscillator, and this ray I'm going to have to set the camera down for it. But this little wheel on the back where the oscillator arm goes into, there's little grooves on it where you can put your fingers on, and you just got to twist it. So I'm not sure how well I can do it. Sometimes it can be real finicky. I think that's it. And we'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration, and we'll kick it up to high speed right off the bat. And there it is in oscillation. It's got a little pause in it, you can see there. I wonder if I have it set all the way over. Pretty sure I do. But you get the picture. And goes back to medium. And finally low. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. And I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this vintage Emerson model 77646 AS from 1949. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.